appreciate it.
We were beeping at you to let you know we were staying behind you. So
They're
nobody else.
protecting you. People are flying.
I appreciate that. You don't have to though. Put it like this. I'm an advocate for cycling rights, cycling equality. By all means, you can go to YouTube, Total Control 871. There, when you have spare time, you can learn the whole saga and the whole ordeal. The point, though, is that I advocate that cyclists have the right to take the full lane when, as we both...
There's no side to ride on.
Correct, thank you. Exactly. There's no shoulder.
We don't even have them in my development where I live.
Well, if you really want to get down to the nitty-gritty, cyclists are not supposed to use a shoulder anyway, according to New Jersey State Supreme Court, Postal v. County of Essex, and like you just said, it's a vehicle.
You have to follow with your vehicle.
Thank you. Title 39-414.
Let me write this down. Hold on.
I just worry about, young kids that aren't alert,
It's okay.
I think something's wrong with you. They don't, man. People, there was a woman killed, a young child.
What is it again?
Total Control 871. And that's on YouTube. Alrighty then. Thank you so much for the support. Huh? It certainly is.
That's a blessing.
Alright, you take it easy.
You too.
Inspired us,
Good
man.
work.
Alright. Possible heckler turned supporter. Or should I say possible supporter? I suppose their actual motives will forever remain unknown, but whatever. It's nice to get the message out, and it's nice to make the friends where you can. So thanks a lot again, guys, for the support. Total Control 871.